Free traffic from video sharing sites. Video sharing sites are some of the most visited sites on the entire internet and should be a part of your overall marketing plan. Uploading multiple review, demo, or tutorial videos and then having a call to action to drive traffic to your website is a method that many successful marketers use. Some of the most popular video sharing sites out there are YouTube, MetaCafe, DailyMotion, and Vimeo. And you can see here at Alexa, Alexa is a website that basically it tracks website popularity. And it tracks pretty much any website that's out there. You can go ahead and find out how popular it is from Alexa. And you can see here that YouTube is rated the third most popular website in the world. It's the third most popular also in the United States. So you know that this site, it gets millions upon millions of visitors every single day. And you can tap into that traffic that's there with, like I said, either demo videos or tutorials. Review videos are also very popular. And it's not just YouTube. Most people out there, they're familiar with YouTube, but it's not just YouTube. Even though YouTube gets the majority of traffic out there, these other video sharing sites like MetaCafe and Vimeo and DailyMotion, you can see they're also very popular. We'll just put in Vimeo right now, and you can see that its global ranking is 104. So Alexa basically determines that there's only about 103 websites that are more popular than video. So you can see these websites, they really are very, very popular, and you can siphon off some of this traffic to your websites by using video marketing in your overall marketing plan. You can see, we'll take a look at some data from MetaCafe, and you'll be able to see that MetaCafe, although it's not 3 or in the top 100, you can see that it's only ranked 1079th. So there aren't that many sites out there that are ranked ahead of MetaCafe and some of these other video sites. So video marketing, and especially video marketing with these sites, is something that you definitely should do to start driving traffic to your websites.